Hey, what's up? Update on the 1.6 8 valve motor swap on the Suzuki Samurai from a Suzuki Sidekick. So this is the stuff you gotta gather in order for you to make the swap. Practically all your wiring harness, and I mean practically everything, from the computer module, the speedo cluster, and well, this is all, honestly, basically is everything. I'm gonna be sending this off to, I don't know, maybe Zook's Off-Road, so they can modify my harness and the cluster, and hopefully everything works out perfect. So far so good. So suppose you gotta gather right all your wire harness, everything. Take your time, it'll come off. Stop and think. Don't just cut off plugs from here and there and shit, because you might fuck something up. So far so good, alright?